Hi everyone, let's do some Heggerty exercises together. Today we're going to start with rhyming. I'm going to say 3 words. You are going to repeat just the 2 rhyming words. So if I were to say bad, had, leg, you would repeat bad, had. Okay, here we go. Wet, met, Tim. Mix, 6, pen. Pop, mop, fit. Run, sun, sad. Cab, gab, fun. 10, men, fix. Big, dig, mom. Box, fox, pup. Hug, rug, sat. Good job. Let's go ahead and listen for beginning sounds now. So I'm going to say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then together we'll say the beginning sound. Here we go. Cat, copy. K, do, dinner. D, fish, fan. F, gum, gas. G, mom, may. M, jog, joy. J, kick, keep. K, lap, lift. L, hand, held. Next, not. Good job. Okay, now we're going to work on blending syllables. So I will give you the syllable parts. You'll repeat them, and then we'll blend it together. Here we go. Each of these is 2 syllables. Number. Number. Baby. Baby. Erase. Erase. Begin. Begin. Summer. Summer. Open. Open. Siren. Siren. Gravy. Gravy. Habit. Habit. Circle. Circle. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to listen for ending sounds, the sound that comes at the end of the word. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll say the ending sound together. Here we go. Cake. K. Well. L. Trim. 9. Cap. P. Mess. S. Nut. T. Live. V. Locks. X. Was. Z. Good job. Now we're going to segment syllables. So I will say the word, you repeat the word, and then you clap out the syllables. Each of these has 2 claps. It's 2 syllable words. Here we go. Blanket. Blanket. sister, sister, helmet, helmet, jacket, jacket, pretzel, pretzel, until, until, winter, winter, after, after, before, before, flowers, flowers. Good job. Okay, let's do some syllable substitution. So I will give you a word and then we will replace the beginning syllable. Here we go. The word is funnier. Change funny to heavy. Heavier. The word is heavier. Change heavy to easy. Easier. The word is easier. Change easy to early. Earlier. The word is earlier. Change early to happy. Happier. The word is happier. Change happy to funny. Funnier. Good. Now we're going to add syllables. So we'll start with a word and we'll add an ending to it. The word is meet. Add ing to the end. Meeting. The word is talk. Add ing to the end. Talking. The word is walk. Add ing to the end. Walking. The word is think. Add ing to the end. Thinking. The word is look. Add ing to the end. Looking. Good. Now we're deleting syllables. So we're starting with the word and removing the last syllable. Here we go. The word is colder. Without the the word is cold. The word is faster. Without the word is fast. The word is cleaner. Without the word is clean. The word is neater. Without the word is neat. The word is slower. Without the word is slow. Good job. Last exercise, counting words in spoken sentences. Here we go. Her mom came to school. Five words. I like to eat my lunch. Six for that one. It is not hard to do. Six again. He looks like a nice boy. Six again. I think books are great. Five this time. That food is hot. And four for this last one. Nice job today, everyone. Thanks for working hard.